Ye issue garusin voter na jajeng ma CA ni bidingo aro uniform civil code ni bidingo yarang gimun ma nasung iku discuss kama campaigno aganama aro there's a saying that India will be a one nation one election and one party Hindu Rashtra ni agan toka yarang bidingo dakarang issue rang ukatama nang ni campaigno
very much yeah those yarangan actually normality ko abnormal khana ba bill rang whereas congress te wa jat gumukon thorum gumukon respect khate do nahi the one nation one election uni jamande one language ni bako bisonga kaninga okay hindu rashtra ni bako kaninga so golmal khana kenani 100% no mana ansungo culture rang banga we've got lots of ethnicity so unigaman warang ko respect kana katana that way yen ko ansungo bangprata hinduan bangprata dalo rajasthani or plus gujarati himachali arun yaman keralian tamil biswan hindus kan bisoni ideology ko respect kana nani ni maine ideology ko bisongan namnikcha okay nobody likes the idealistic movement actually so that way people are scared and then there is a fear that they might have to do away with their own culture so definitely dao chaya campaign no manderang na yag mukon me sokat na vietnam zo thon ka aro yan khaket mamung ba thorani dongja chungna batte an chung garus na batte achkrang na batte wi bat ka ba sing bat ka ba mani cha bat ka ba manderan khenenga ode an chungde wa mangko niatte muna maini kemen bisora khenenga sumsai mai ba rizinde dongengen mai ba nam gijani dongen so ni kemen ya gemekon game na wi muna chungba forai ni na ngano ya content ara maya do UCC ora mai ta ka ba content donga CA ora mai ta ka ba content donga just because somebody ani agana ning open jeni ba agana ni kemen bebe ra mone agan jenga deba wa bisoni UCC ni bill ni ngau UCC ni act ni ngau mai mai ta ka ba close rang ko bisong ora dono wa close rang sa men batam de wa ke sa ke ni agan bisoni sia ko nimrak ke mna agan e dong so content ko ni na nangin one by one so draft ko nami nija hang ode what is the inside that particular draft and what are the issues and what they want basa ko bode mera kana general draft khainga they do it judiciously so that a common people will just skip certain clause when you skip certain clause while studying that one very dangerous okay one by one step by step you have to go through so in the long run if you don't study don't speak about it if you know about it then speak about it for example now the Conrad and their leader themselves I think they have not gone through the content of CAA they themselves are telling lies to the people that Garo Hills Meghalaya is exempted when the heart of the city, the town, the state itself is having the CAA, then why are you purposely lying to the people of Meghalaya? Look at the contradictions made by Amparin herself. Biar CAA aru UCC ko jegal ke nagan thais khaega. Taude yan chani garus de CAA ko accept khajo. UCC ko ba problem nungjana ni sakani. Then Amparin is also the doctorate PhD. Bian jengaha. Andiba I think look at the leaders from the NPP from the Garo Hills. Why they're supporting? Maybe they're blinded with some some benefit. That's the reason why.
Did saling isang madonga jen tura Lok Sabha seat na susainga NPP ni agata sangma baksa jeni sangma TMC ni aru independent laben marak baksa hamatela chung baksa dongana Marikum election campaign tal de last day na sumai ken kinga ground ko
we have done our duty to apprise the people so manderang ko makrakat na datsinga Garo Hills ni tang area rang si katham rang si remuna jothon ka makrakat na ta in the meantime beben sokte sokcha so wa sokki jaga manderang ko banga khumung na ta ro khema biat nang taska maina andi banga bebera chingni message rang very clear wa dau anchini indian in omera ko ba sinjeta ni rang ko mani gacham so now it's the people choice unless and until they want to make a difference is bishun iska samay
nangni agano people's choice. What does people's choice nangni muksoni ti sa kanam gen meko
hoy iko aganingon talo anchini india ni nga obosta ohon kenga like Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Manipur, and then moreover my bani Prasan Bhushan Jian BJP ni ukil ngacham advocate. He said that they are getting ready to make the another Manipur. What it means by that we don't know. So we have to be careful and ready to make it a change.
nangni Manipur ne aganore Manipur jan conflict ongia between two communities, Meiteis as well as Kukis. So nadak bani ko judging ani ko naking amane kan sing notice to ba gopon state ba nangni aganani kita.
Yes, definitely. Mena Prasan Bhushan clearly mentioned ka in his speech saying that they are getting ready for the another Manipur. So unigaman bini message rango clear on enkani jamano plus je khai anchuni Assam mo or Christian ani kosako senjata ni rong koninga. So ukon kani jamande it seems like the message is very very clear. And then moreover anchuni the present government ba NPP government ba bisung ba CAA dongja plus tau nyate ni bo CAA thuramana mo dongja ni thole mana ndi bo CAA thuramana uni kosako government ni kita municipality rango expand khana menga whereas reduce khani pal so that we judging ani rang donga my objective or my intention no ya ko expand khana muksong ya municipality ko bate sonba tata ni pal niate ni bo so ni man onchi judging ani rang donga je kita bisung kham khabainga penetrate khabainga it seems like their intention is getting through.
Nangni agana BJP baksa namen conflict ongia warisi mongia dau thura Lok Sabha seat de BJP de chakatchenga ndongba kale NPP donga TMC donga aro independent donga nang baksa. So how does that fall into the story?
You see, NPP itself is a BJP. Conrad himself has clearly mentioned in his speech by saying that if you vote for, book, kitab में vote करने से मोदी को power, it's like voting for Modi only. So it's very clear, NPP is BJP. You cannot deny the fact anymore.
Mijalo chief minister program में भी clear आगानी acham NPP de ideology donga ideology को चंदी Changsaba deviate kajawa mana anjingni ideology de nagana bisung PS angmani abat singoni creation of tribals Christians minorities na protect kanasa ini bidungona mai ko agan gen.
Have you seen protecting the people from Manipur when the Christians has been slaughtered, whereas they have got 7 MLAs and then they are part and parcel of the government? Why you are lying to the people? You just cannot keep on lying to the people, okay? And then it's I don't know if you like laughing at. Can he protect any single Christian from Manipur? Because Manipur, they have got 7 MLAs who is part and parcel of the government. Did he say anything about the Manipur so far? Has he has any Agatha spoken about Manipur in any platform? Tell me. So that way, how can he deny the fact about the ideology actually? The BJP are having the idealistic movement. Look at the speech by CM from, what do you call this one? From Assam. He has openly spoken that ye Hindu Rashtra hai aur Hindu Rashtra hi rahega. We don't want to compromise with the secular. Okay? Don't teach me about the secular. Didn't he say? It's already by route, So how can he deny the fact? He is very much, NPP is very much BJP. You see?
Now, this election or public my perception ko na adakple campaign ka jok all over the 24 constituencies garus ni donga unu na song campaign ka jok na screen my ko nakinga may rang ko bisong agani na song na.
You see, God himself has given us a free choice. Okay? God has shown the evil and the good. So that way, it was my duty to make aware the people makrakatna mandirang ko chngari jom riaha aro mandi bangbatan response ka ha, so that way I believe, you know, good will prevail. That's all. I just cannot say I will win or you will win, but if God wants, if people thinks they are good, then definitely. But mandirang realize kajang ode kamni kri sasti ko mangen wasan oya dalo Manipur jeka realize kaja bisong sasti ko manah dalo acheng ya acheni achekrang aro Christian rang aro garul su dongpa plak jatrang jeka Hindu Muslim Christian hajong ongjamena rafa ongjamena acheng dalo bisong ni was jet paing ba belko realize kajang ode haida maybe acheng realize kajang ne mai ko ba ni mana makbokatanya sel acheng iko makpoker ai dongaya ode acheng ko haida nokoba sasti namba dong so ni gaman acheng ne agana manja knalo mandirang mai ko rabura jabuso we have done our duty so uni gaman mandirang niska mandirang namnaka so daalo both ka khujani gaman agana manja mai ko dakha daksa so the board will decide whether they have listened or not.
Congress de 24 seats to amo MLA seats Garo Hilso MP Tura MP Lok Sabha seat na constituency ko Congress de sasan seat ama nakni constituency gambegiri NPP ge chi chet tonga aru independent press support commission ko yerang de blun challenging omong jana nakni campaign na
no it's not a challenging at all ire mamung da ke challenge ongja because ye 24 seats so MLA ko thari ke pan public sa. You got my point. It's as simple as that. So, MP naba public san both kaigen. So, it will be again the public choice. Yes, Sakshi chet MLA ni both kaungodi, they will just get 18 votes only. You got my point. And then moreover, independent both kaungodi bisong, maybe they'll get 23 only. Along with their family, they will get. So, likewise, it's the common people who vote. Okay? Our common people who make the choice. And common people sa ya mandirang sa ramram mandirang sa MLA gemukon tharia chief minister ko ba ramram mandisa tharia suni gaman bisongra mai ke ramram mandirang ni kosa ko mandirang ni kosa ko mai ke akana mana bisora mai ke dongkyu na mana chon 18 MLA dongani 18 MLA ko sa tharia mandirang sa tharia ba mo so ni mana it's a simple common look at the ego and the attitude they have actually yes sakchi chet MLA ko sa tharia mandirang sa tharia suni gaman mandirang ni views ko mandirang ni emotion ko mandirang ni sentiments ko respect karan again so kanalo mandirang thario di mandirang niskasa and then moreover I believe no mandirang and then okopao
TMC ni candidate Zenit Sangmaba opposition no compete kainga nangmung to win the Tura Lok Sabha seat Beijing ni agana kita de Saleng aro Congress de dummy candidates sa ba agent of the NPP mana Saleng chakate mungsa opposition vote rangko divide kainga NPP na sa lap ungen yede Beijing sa benefit ungen ini bidon na mai ko agana ska
Karuhils ni mandirang count nak paintu Jen Salo Jenit chakata ha Mukul chakata ha they were in the power Mukul chief minister ngacham Jenit ni chakat metong ba Mukul ni chawari ni chakat metong ba Bian chief minister ngacham uno metong bisongan 21 MLA dong so yade menangen it's a senseless word actually so ni man manderang ni ko de sifleba bibera jo bisoni aganas kani kita agan kana bisong they are politicians so I don't want to comment on that so everybody has got a common sense come on
Chief Minister agana niko NPP ni leader ang pamada kana Upsan government on nambata ni agana Delhi BJP ode inode NDA alliance tonga Upsan Meghalaya ba aro do NDA alliance itself led by Prime Minister Modi agani 400 plus MPs man gen nemong here na sungno se jajing ni ongja that it's a very big challenge for the Congress and the other opposition parties
kenani donga Congress nongja public rang Maiba khai 400 bisongman bibina nanga only look at the Hindu what the Hindu Rashtra said no voting rights for Christians and Muslims That means all the Muslims and all the Christians will be a refugee tomorrow. Very dangerous. Kenani 100% no. Not for Congress, not for candidature. I mean, not for candidates, but for the people of the India. Aro answer Christian rang na Muslim rang na aro Hindu rang. Look at how smaller Hindus are being deprived of their own rights, like Jats, Adivasi, and the Dalits. In their own state, they are all Hindus, but they are being deprived from their own rights. So that way, that hierarchy will be there again in the future. So we have to be scared. Hindus themselves are scared. So why not Christian and Muslim? Mm-hmm. It's as simple as that. Samajdaro ke risaira kafi hai. So Hindu themselves are scared about their idealistic movement. Why weren't Christian and Muslim?
Aro agan talking CA jokode bangbadang ane nasoni opposition side on niba that influx pongenok nemong mijalo TMC ni candidate present pagana influx ongen aro badio biya publishing dongen but chief minister mijalo bini program anska CA na applicant nan zero megalayo de aro jeran 2014 jani bakbre manjawa 2014 an bonjok chapter close nagana era khakke tongama nangni kani kitade
na niatini bo bisong aganiga those who are getting persecuted, that means it's a present tense. You got my point. That's why I was telling them to read close by close, then you will understand the draft. I think they are so busy to study the draft also. Those who are being persecuted, it's a present tense, right? So, what it means by that? So you just cannot stop. They will keep on coming. And then moreover, they need not have to apply in the, let's say government will apply. I think some pujari can give you the citizenship. So, what will you say for that? So that way it's a very dangerous actually. Anybody can come tomorrow and you cannot deny.
But what about that part that 6 scheduled areas are exempted?
You see right now, our Garo Hills and Meghalaya falls under the Forest Act 2006. I mean Forest Act 2023. Netinibo. Hi, international border only 100 kilometer radius ngode netinibo croplai. Ngode actually forest in outside so. The auroro na actually headman rangni actually nokma rangni certificate cholingama. When you're asking the basic questions about the 6th schedule, power, nokmarang ni documentara cholingama office ora. Does the DC office, does any office, does the bank certify by the nokma are accepted in the bank? Tell me. You see, when you say 6th schedule has got a power, then a single letter from the nokma should be accepted by the bank rather than the Aadhaar card. You got my point? They need Aadhaar card now. They don't need Nokma's document. Okay? Do you think any bank requires Nokma document? Tell me. They need Aadhaar card, they need PAN card, they need, election ID. So, what's the use of having the Nokma? So, unigaman da on answer is 6 schedule ko scrap kanagata ya government value kajega. If they are valuing the 6th schedule, do you think any institutions run by the government or a semi-government, do you think they will not accept the Nokma document? Tell me. Does Nokmas realize about it? Donation, they're just trying to fool them. It's a very true. It's black and white. Ask anybody. Nokma document if they go to the bank, will they accept it as a document for the genuine shape of being part of that Nokma? So these are the area that we have to see why we are being denied about our own rights when we are in the 6th schedule area.
Coming to election campaign, Agata Sangma, sitting MP, 3 terms ongjok, Chief Minister Bagania, government development ko bangin abajok mijala agana chief minister ba bini program aro agata ba absang ko agana under the leadership of Conrad Sangma Meghalaya dakple thangdu jok development aspects so yarang na challenge omong jinga in your campaign.
No. You see, they're talking about the GM, where it's a program by the center-sponsored scheme. Now, look at for example, PMJSY. They're talking about the PMJSY, whereas those programs were made during the time of Congress. Look at the PMAY. It was IAY actually. Now they have changed the nomenclature. It was Indira Gandhi Awaj Yojana. Now they have changed into Prime Minister, Awaj Yojana, something like that. And then moreover, now you see, the most challenging part is that they have deduced the amount. This particular BJP has already reduced the amount, Komiatso, 35% from the MGNRGS, and then 50% from the education department. Look at the Nirmala Sitaram's finance budget this time. Look at them. Haven't they gone through the, budget? Now, we're talking about Ansani MITPD. It was sanctioned during the time of, at least during 2000, during the time of Congress, not during their reign. Look at Chanmari. Chanmari was also sanctioned long way back, but they have taken the credit because it was their government. Any government will definitely follow up. Government will take the credit, but it was not done by them. Yansani PS Sangma Stadium ba Baritaba, I think 100 crore something. This sanction was even before they came into being also. So Nigaman Yakoti Bishon additional fund ko nisa undapagaka. So Maikodaka, Dang loan Rapreta. We Meghalaya has borrowed lots of money, loan from the New World Bank, from the ADB, from everywhere. Now though we are in a debt trap. Okay, look at the CAG report. I need not have to tell. I think you might have gone through that. We are in a red zone area. I believe so. I think I have the, still the thing, that CAG report is still there with me. We are in the red zone area. You can go through it also. You can see what the CAG has already informed about the present situation, about the financial.
That means nangni agam soni kita di Meghalaya government jamane namin Meghalaya ne problem mungkinok mana loan rainga gumokoni kon loan rainga ye scheme na ye project na jamande repayment ni problem mungkinok.
The burden will come to the public, automatically. What are the resources that we have in Meghalaya? How many industries do we have? What other natural resources do we have? 1, 2 we have, but the thing is that it is run illegally. That's why it's not going to the government's exchequer. That coal I'm talking about, and then all the illegal. Yesterday also 2, 3 sugar, crushed in that, somewhere in Dimapara. So look at those illegal things when it is happening. Then do you think any productivity which was supposed to go to the government's exchequer will go to the government? No, it will go to the some individual only. So that way, we are in a ruining situation right now.
Meghalaya at the most lowest in the development index ba TM Shirang Mija kom agan tokinga yara kathang BBM.
I think you might have already seen in the India's report itself. We are the most corrupted. We are at the top when you talk about the most corrupted. When you look at the education, we are at the lowest. Whereas before, we are at least, we corruption in and around the top 10 area. But now, we are at the lowest zone area, even in the education sector. So that way, I think I need not have to tell about the corruption and then the development also. Now, when you talk about the challenging, just look at 704 crore was already sent back. Now you see the capacity and the capability of the government right now. Why they have sent back the money from the NHRM? Okay, why? That's the Sasni Bri crore ko iya government kangalang na kasa ngodi ya hospital lang non gapako ongen sem uku return katpla crore hazar sa chabri sanction ochum Ansuni Kangalangna. Niba Meghalaya de Kuro Chasniko, Mina Zakala Vija, and the Kuro Chasni Brico de Onatpla. De Kangalanga Kasa, or the Manigamania Tanko Zakala Changza, Chang Zakalas Jama, Changjama, Ma Manigaman Zakal Zekura. Return Katpla. Our Kuro Hazalbri Chabis Bongako, 많이 그만 작을자 많이 그만 인디아 아저니 메갈라 리턴 카플라 오케이 많이 그만 리턴 카플라 이야 CAG 리포트 니코 니보 느까이게 400 하잘브리 르차브리 솥봉아 당하고 리턴 카플라 이야 very much government 니아테니 뭐 엔디데 엔디바 야니 팔로 론 당하고서 작할링아 와 자이카나 자이카바 론사 니아테니 뭐 알아 자이카니 카메랑 코라 메케 카잉아 가징아 public 랑한 마싱아 론 데라잉아 감데 카잉아 엔디바 프로젝트 랑코 타리온 이 프로젝트 랑아라 genuinely benefit 동안 몽쟁아마 만데랑 이코데 마시쟁아 니아테니 뭐 알아 다오 코퍼레이션을 막 프라테 콜레죠 아저니 메갈라요 디파트먼트 방잔 낙플리 동자 maybe around 50 plus ndiba firm le ger acha sa khulgar kani ya private firm dang le maini gamen ya private firm rang khor outside ni khoran den ra bai mana bisona thangha ni dong nga chani megalaya government ra ma bisong ba benefit man phai ngamen ni ko individually we don't know so ni gamen these are the issues that we have to look at so ni gamen wa gam kan jang na ga nang gen 강가랑 남의 메코 닥쪽 자나티니 뭐 달론 야티니 뭐 어떻게 그런 게 이거면 지양이면 롱아라치 마이바 코이 누그렛 가야 돈이야나 바노 마이코 닥쪽 야티니 뭐 미자 왁스왈라나 와 센트럴니 스폰서 스킴 동아쯤 와 비가리 미신 거파랑 또니 마이코 닥쪽 위자죠 우리 자만호 밀크 미신 거 동아 야 밀크 미신 거라 말이다 싹 강가랑 나하 가르스니 강가랑 나 달로 NPP니 푼 거파랑 나 온족마 미숑 바스 애니보 barita ba crore cha dunga inu ya milk machine na barita sak na machu jelna kata ya government no ra achkra na khasama sana sano na sawma na dalo niate ni bo barita sak anga garus kumuk ni khwa jinga ni ba NPP na phun ka parang ba dunga mandirang jerangan bisoni agana ni gemen bisoni makmalata ni gemen puna cham ni ba ya mandirang ara mai ni gemen manskhaja daru dalo mungsa ka niya unemployed ko bisong curb kana kata niahana aruni jamanu bisongde 200 in and around 30 plus rangni kata khamko onahana to niatinura kamachiko niatinura bisongniwa mai me dakbo khamuna khamko dakinga iko carb kana kata nura me doksungna MG energies ko share focus plus ko share baka odi ye MG energies ko khanara nara mai na ngen graduate ko nangen ma niatinibo ichi carb khaigana how can you lie the people makin ara kam ka gen MG energies netini bo MG energies ko na de congress rangni design ka de merak chokna ye BPL manderang songodong pa manderang jerang an khaman phaja okay gtham ko develop khan baksaba at least merung mechu bre chachina alam la hajira dap ka basa no ya cham u khumang ba ye NPP jen dalo aro ye BJP netini bo ye BJP government मैं रख सकूँ 35% खात का नेते नहीं वो मुक्पुए में खांगालंग नो ना नेते नहीं डाका मुरे हाँ मैं रखी या MG नाजिस नारा MG नाजिस को खायरा नारा वा खांगालंग खोरा नारा खामना खार्प खातना मन गेन आरो खांगालंग नि बिसो खोरा ये थोलों जाएगा मा just because we are simple and we think we are so naive about it so निगमन why you have to keep on lying to the people आरो look at block को इनुग्रेट का ये ब्लॉक को नेट पो sak gisa ba pangsal longja election skang dak preto la block ko ira thol gapali dra saman dire
leba nangni constituency ba block khulia khon bagetal
block
pura khasiya area nangni
constituency ongja ode salman para constituency ja block ko khulia aro nangni gani block pa dongkhuja mamangan dongkhujo no mamung dak na manja maini gaman dak pre thola public rang khura ma public garusni public na namani gaman dak pre chabuk nas kama मा बिशोरा दावगता के जन्मा खोर मेमना थोले मना वा नानिगे रिबन राते मना खाली मंदिरं को उल्लू बनाई मना छाना रंगनास कामा अंदर you should not cheat the people ना मंदिरं में नहीं कमन cheat करें और नियत नहीं वो माइबा खोबा इसी सिजु खोबा मामुंग बा खंबा दोंजा फंसा मात्ता बारी बनी वो मामुंग बा दोंजा उन्हीं जमानो या नानिगे नहीं खारकुत्ता चिको नियत नहीं वो
या
ब्लॉक रंग वे ये सब ब्लॉक मंगवा फंसा दोंजा ब्रदर नियत नहीं बता not even a single block मायनी कमन मंदिरं को थोगिंगा nakple mani gemen thoginga aro dia rangko dakem na chaksta pe thole sa dong thola lain so mani gemen ya government ara mande ko thola skinga ade nakple khamni gemen aga no de ya block ko phangsla no poda aro na mande rang na khasa ko din residential school already Congress ni jasongo sanction ongang parang already matam de complete onga. Mai ni kami ko functional no chenga. Ansung de education pengen down ba. Building de nen nongai nga. Mai ni kami ya school rang functional no cha manjenga tangga banga khode akanenga. Ndi de ya rang ko ran kanara mai na tangga dongjenga. Tangga banga khode akanenga focus plus song tangga swalgena. Ndi de asa wakarang na mai na dorma honjenga bariat chenga. Asa wakarang de front wakar ba. When we are talking about the infant mortality rate and the women's mortality rate, they are the front worker. Asarang mijao dor mahana dabi pa asarang ni dor maho bisong increase kana kata mai baka approve ka kaja. Uni zaman anggan madi madam rang jerangan at least songko noko nipai ngacem bisarang ko ni ngacem daw kata ke nutritional benefit ko wa bisarang no na kata we talk about the infant mortality rate so uni kemen warang ko carb kana kata bisona na mai tak ba mai ba khoninga dor marang khone ni hazal gni chim daw di merong package on mo na ba mai ki ong jode kaket ngem na bisona ready kir kana man gen skang ba bisongon address ka ching boda so manu dunga deang na kaket ko akan mo to aru kangalang na khasa odi netini bo daw mai ni kemen daw kata ke ansengara 7 pay commission ko dalon na kang ignore kang thanga bangong they are talking about money develop then why they are so scared to come to the conclusion about giving the 7 pay commission why they are so scared they are gonna think it's a simple common sense why government is scared to give the 7 pay commission to increase the salary of the common people. It's a simple common sense. You have to just use the common sense. Asa worker na tanga jenga dormaha mai bacha. Aro how many government LP schools are being sincerely looked into? People has to look at. So unasa yarang ko election matungo aganja ngode they don't get aware. Salary of we cannot make a change because they are given 5 years mandated by the people themselves. So we cannot change it. Mandirang sobarang agane election usagane. The election is the only platform where we can make a differences.
Inflation ba problem ngema? Under maina TMC yang ba mijau aganinga dam longin batchok komok essential commodities ni bidingo. Nasunde Congress ni ikode knade dongja campaign on nasun ini bidingo aganarang dongan cuma?
Ratsa chetoni gong ratsa sa hazal sa ratsa chet gong pangna nagana. You can see very much. I think YouTube rong bana kengen. Merong paket sa ni dam ratsa chetchansam. Okay. Hajira babarija, dormaha babarija, mamang babarija andiba bosturang ni dam baria. Mai bosturang ni dam baria na meng kholgrek keni bosturang ni dam baria. Domestic bosturang ni dam. Jeko na day to day nanga. Merong ni dam, dal ni dam, to ni dam, gas ni dam, look at rasan ni dam, tomato ni dam. Na jeko na daily requirement nanga wag makon dam bariata. Meng kholgrek ni bostu ni, meng kholgrek ni items ni ateni bo. O bostu rang ko bariata. To kangalang merong packet sao hazal sa sep kana mangencem. Totality ko nyata ngode kangalang at least hazal gani batede jauh sep kana mangencem. Unode bisong masak ko ban thani demecek sana pasok ba admission nangana pasok ko ban thangdang sana at least gua thangka ko save kana mangisem dore iya government na kangalang na kasay mana iya dakapa naningini sana nirang ko ba save kanirang ko kangalang na choice ko ninga ma unja jok choice an dongja jok tawde because they have to whatever they are getting for the ends meet they have to spend everything they could not save anymore so it's a fact. We are talking the fact. Can they talk the fact?
Last question. Some competition again in this election.
Competition?
Oh, voting no ngiya salgani ni gisepon. Nangni nearest contender, nangni biggest challenger as hongen. Will it be TMC ni ma, Zenit Sangma ma, Labin Marak from India, an independent ma Agata Sangma of the NPP?
No, I don't see anybody a challenge for me. So it will be a challenge for the people only. So, Pangna Naganonga, we fight our fight. We don't fight their fight. So we try to make a differences with the people, not with them. I'm not fighting with Agatha, I'm not fighting with TMC, I'm not fighting with Laben. I'm fighting for the people, so my focus is for the people. So if people thinks we are able, let the people. So the most challenging is the people, whether we can penetrate the people's mind about the truth. So it's the people. It's not them.
Kadung ay ma na backing dong yan mong public ni.
100% at least we are getting all the blessings from the, whether we win or lose, I'm telling you, but we have won the people's heart. So I've got the blessings from above, and then I want to thank all those people who has already believed in me, faith in me, so I will not let them, bisoni faith, bisoni kadongani ko mamusalubanga bisonko may bakana so I will definitely do something about it, whether I win or lose. So that's the other thing. Niba manderang ang bakso ha ang anak pleka sa kadong ha aron dak pli bisong na bitsakani ko takinga, and then we have won the fight already.
Thank you so much.